Every drop of water on Earth has a story of life, travel, and survival. But today, that story is changing. Our water cycle is the lifeblood of the planet. It connects the highest peaks to the deepest oceans, carrying the potential for life everywhere it goes. But beneath the surface of our most essential resource, a hidden crisis is brewing. A crisis of balance and purity. Industrial runoff, heavy metals, and chemical imbalances are stressing our water systems like never before. The accounting gap in water health is growing. To find a solution, we must look closer. Not at machines, but at the ancient biological wisdom that has kept Earth healthy for billions of years. Enter algae, the invisible foundation of life. These tiny superheroes have been the planet's primary life support system since the beginning. Think of algae as nature's kidney. It's a powerful metaphor for a very real, very efficient biological process. Just as your kidneys filter your blood to keep you alive, algae works tirelessly to scrub our planet's water clean. On a microscopic level, these cells are masterpieces of engineering, designed to identify and absorb exactly what doesn't belong. Here is a surprising fact. Certain species of algae can remove up to 99% of pollutants from wastewater. 99%! They act like biological magnets, pulling heavy metals like lead and mercury out of the cycle and locking them away. But they don't just stop at toxins. Algae also absorbs excess nutrients that can otherwise suffocate our ecosystems. By taking in phosphorus and nitrogen from agricultural runoff, algae prevents the devastating dead zones in our oceans. Without these tiny chemists, our water would become a toxic soup, unable to support the vast biodiversity we depend on. So, how do we move from understanding this science to implementing it? The future of water is biological. We are building industrial-scale biofiltration systems that harness the natural power of algae to heal our urban water cycles. In cities like Hamburg and Copenhagen, these systems are already turning wastewater back into a restorative resource. Innovators like Notpla are even using seaweed to replace plastic packaging, protecting our water from microplastic pollution before it starts. Look at the photosynthetica curtains in Dublin. They use algae to clean the air and water of the city simultaneously. Or the BIQ Algae House, where buildings aren't just shells, they are living organisms that function like ecosystems. The challenge is closing the scale gap. Shifting from small lab successes to massive planetary scale restoration. Imagine cities where every building has a living skin, recycling every drop of water through a green pulsing network. Managed by bio-AI, these systems will optimize the health of our water in real time, ensuring a regenerative future. This is the key to global water security. Affordable, scalable, and inspired by the very life that created us. In the deep oceans, algae continues its ancient work, producing 50% of the Earth's oxygen and regulating marine chemistry. They create marine snow, carrying carbon and nutrients to the deep sea, a vital part of the planet's carbon math. From space, we can see these blooms as vibrant brushstrokes on the canvas of our planet, nature's way of healing itself. When we protect algae, we protect the balance. We protect the very systems that make Earth a home. Carbon isn't the enemy, imbalances. Algae is the ultimate tool for restoring that balance. Naturally, we are choosing to move from a legacy of destruction to a future of restoration. A restorative economy. This is more than a technological shift. It's a biological upgrade for our civilization. It's learning to work with life. There is reason for profound optimism. The planet has already provided the tools we need to thrive. The science is simple, the impact is massive, and the path forward is clear. Algae is our lifeline. The challenges of the 21st century are big, but the solutions are often very, very small. Just look into a drop of water. The green lung of our planet is ready to help. All we have to do is let it lead the way. The planet will be fine if we learn to work with life.